Hello everyone, welcome back to ProdHeart channel. Today we are discussing the best laptops under 50,000 with i7 processor. There are a variety of laptops available in the market, but if you are a person and looking for a laptop with a good processor and a reasonable price, then there is only a particular set of brands that are present in the market. Purchasing a laptop may not be a simple process as you think so. We went to a shop and bought a laptop for 50 to 60,000 rupees, and most people trust the shopkeeper completely to provide the perfect brand for them. But the one thing that they do not understand is that the shopkeeper has no idea about your work and the type of laptop that would be more suitable for you. So before purchasing a laptop, you need to understand its various features and things that need to be checked. Most people buy a laptop for their daily activities. If you are a student or a person who requires a laptop for performing accounts related activities and for data keeping, then a regular laptop with a price of 50,000 rupees will be more than enough. But when you purchase a laptop, certain things need to be looked after, and one of them is the processor. When it comes to the processor, Intel has been an ordinary company that is used by most computers. The company has been producing a variety of processors. One of the most popular processors is the Intel Core i7 processor that has gained an immense fan base among the program was because of the faster clock speeds and good performance. They are better than the i5 processor, and the Core i7 processors has been released in multiple models in the form of variety of generations. Why is the Core i7 a better processor? Most of the people prefer using the Core i7 processor because of their speed and easy technicality. The processor comes along with a variety of positive aspects that are not present in the i5 processor. This Core i7 processor is suitable for performing multiple tasks at the same time. So if you want to open 2 or 3 softwares at the same time, then using the Core i7 processor will be more suitable. They are also ideal for playing certain high-end games, editing videos and photos, and other heavy workload tasks. So if you are a person looking for a laptop that can be used as a backup laptop for your work and other activities, then having an i7 processor will be more suitable for your requirement. Gaming consoles. The i7 processor is suitable for creating high-end games and also for playing them along with your friends. They are ideal for graphical illustrations and other types of animation-related tasks. Even though they are not suitable for the more excellent animation systems being performed in the movies, you can create simple animation videos using this processor. Video editing. Suppose you are a YouTuber looking for a perfect laptop that can be used to record your videos and edit them consecutively. In that case, this i7 processor based laptop below the price of 50,000 will be more suitable for you. Now all you need to do is install some high level video editing tools and audio editing tools. You can run all the programs consequently and perform multiple tasks at the same time. The i7 processor laptop can also be used by the auditors to calculate month-end auditing and by the students for learning about coding and using multiple programming language software. They are also used by hackers to perform basic level hacking and by ordinary people who require the laptop for their day-to-day activities in business and college. Brand. Even though the processor plays an important role, certain other things need to be considered while purchasing a laptop. One of the most important things is the brand. A brand is not just a name, but it also determines the quality of the laptop. So while purchasing a laptop for the price of 50,000, make sure that you get a good brand. Even though you can't buy Sony or Apple based laptops, you can still purchase some of the standard good branded laptops like Dell and HP. Unless you are a professional, you can use this laptop brand. They are commonly used by programmers working in MNC companies and students studying in the universities. Memory and RAM. When you are purchasing a laptop and the processor, the memory and the RAM should also be taken into account. The memory is nothing but the laptop's hard disk, which should be at least 500 GB to 1 TB. You must not have usage requirements for such a large memory. But the truth is that when you are purchasing a laptop with an i7 processor, you have to keep in mind that you will be installing some of the high-end software for performing activities. So having a good memory will prevent the software from getting clogged in the middle. Like hard disk memory, RAM is otherwise known as random access memory and plays a vital role in the laptop. They are entirely responsible for the input and output produced. So if you are looking for a laptop with i7 processor, then the RAM should also have a good memory so that the speed will be compatible. example. For example, if you have installed a high-end game in your laptop combined with other software and want to multitask, then having a RAM of 8GB to 32GB will be suitable for you. To all, the process will be done side by side without interrupting each other. All the features mentioned above are essential while purchasing a laptop below the price of 50,000. Along with that, the design and the quality of the laptop should also be perfect. Since you will be using the laptop for a long time, they should have the quality and be made up of high quality plastic. Battery should have the ability to hold for at least 8 to 9 hours without connection. If you are a person who is looking for a laptop that can be utilized professionally, then given below examples will be suitable for your requirement. You can either purchase them or get a laptop similar to these features. These laptops are available for sale on online websites like Amazon and Flipkart. Following recommendation. First, Lenovo IdeaPad 320. Description: 15.6 inches widescreen, i7 processor, 1TB hard disk drive with 4GB RAM, available in a beautiful black color. Avita Liber Core i7 8th generation. Description: Core i7 processor, 8GB RAM and 250GB SSD, 14-inch widescreen, available in beautiful gold color. HP Spectre 13V122TU. Description: 13.3 inches widescreen, i7 processor with integrated Windows 10 software. It has a dark ash color with integrated graphics, 8GB RAM. MSI PL62 15.6 inch laptop. Description: 15.6 inches screen, silver color laptop, i7 processor with 1TB memory, 8GB RAM memory. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and share this video and subscribe to Broadheart channel.